Hi guys! So in this video I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. This makeup tutorial doesn't have like an inspiration or anything. It's just a look that I like to do. Some people will like to say it's like an oh e-girl, e-boy, but it's really not. I just like having hearts under my eyes and stuff like that. So if you'd like to see this tutorial, keep watching. Okay, so I just want to say if you hear like something like that, it's because I'm sitting on a Pilates ball. Oh, my voice. Pilates yoga ball. I'm sitting on a yoga ball, so that's why it sounds weird sometimes. So the first step is going to be some moisturizer. This is from the Body Shop and it's for dry skin. Primer doesn't really work on my skin, it just makes the base worse. Now I'm going to take Makeup Revolution London's Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. It's in the shade C1. So I'm actually going to take a brush. It's like really dense. But now that that's done, I'm just gonna take a powder and set everything with a big brush. So instead of taking the bronzer as I usually would, I'm going to take a cool tone brown to contour my cheeks, and I'm taking this from Makeup Revolution. Now when that's done, I'm going to take a little bit of blush. I'm just taking a peach, and it has a little bit of shimmer, not glitter. It's like a very sheer highlighter. So I'm taking that a little bit on my nose. Why did I get a southern accent? I think my entire base is done. Of course, it's not done. I want to have highlight and all of that, but I'm doing all of those things as I go instead. So now I'm going to take a dark brown pomade. I don't know how to pronounce it. So I'm just taking this and forming my brows, I guess. I have such a hard time doing my brows in the morning and just brows in general. Now comes the fun part, which is eyeshadow, and I've kind of primed my lids with just a concealer. So I'm gonna go back with this black here. I'm going to take a blending brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going to blend this out. Now with the same brush, I'm going to take the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in Brights, and I'm going to use the red one. I'm also going in with a little bit of orange. Now that I got the basics of the eyes, I'm going to take a W7 palette. It's called Neutrals on Ice. Neutrals on Fire. But in here, there's like a lot of like burnt shadows. I'm going to use this one that's called Burn. Now I'm going to go in with Zoeva. I don't know how to pronounce that at all, but I'm going in with this Zoeva brush, a 228 brush.
I'm just trying to be beauty guru, I don't know what I said.
And I'm gonna blend everything out. I'm gonna take the same black again and put a little bit under my eye. Now I'm taking a black eyeliner and putting that on my waterline. I'm gonna take NYX's white liquid liner. I'm gonna do my bottom eyelashes white. I'm taking it like a mascara wand. And now with that same eyeliner, I'm gonna make a little heart under my eyes on one side. I'm doing a white one, and on the other side I'm doing a black one. Now I'm going to continue with the face, and what I have left to do there is highlighter, lips, and I have to do mascara also, but that's... Now I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty's highlighter in Hustler Baby. I'm gonna just put that on the high points of my cheeks and on my nose. And what I do, I don't put highlighter all over my cheek. I just smile and put it on the highest point. That. For lips, I'm going to take a brown lip pen. See, you know, I'm white, very white, so I have small lips, but I'm gonna line them because there is a muscle on your lips where your like skin and lips meet, and I'm gonna put the liner there. For lipstick, I'm going to take a mix between Kiko's Velvet Passion and Viva La Diva's Granith Matte. I don't know how to pronounce that at all. A kind of small eyeshadow brush. It's quite dense too.
I'm really bad at explaining, but what I was doing is I'm taking that brush and blending the gray and the brown together.
Now one of the last steps is mascara. I'm gonna say mascara, even though I know that's like the British pronunciation. But I'm gonna take that. I did not mean to do that. Why did I start turning British? No. So I'm gonna take the, I don't know, just the mascara wand.
Since I'm illiterate, I said mascara wand instead of mascara. So yeah. Blah.
I'm gonna put on falsies, and I'm gonna see if I can do that on camera, because if I can, that will be amazing. Okay, the camera stopped filming and I didn't notice because I'm not good at putting on false lashes, clearly, but since my eyes are like, my eyeshadow is black, it has to be that way right now because I don't want to redo it. They're like, ugh. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, give the video a thumbs up. I hate saying that. If you like the video, like it. That's the spirit. And if you would like to see more of me, subscribe, leave a comment. I don't know. I'm aware that my eyelashes look wonky, but that's okay. Bye. 'Cause falling now was